Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 9-inch IPS touchscreen special for Chevrolet Malibu 2016 to 2019 years. Okay, let me unbox review. So this is harness and canvas. This is part. Okay, this is head unit. Okay, let me introduce harness it first. You can check this special harness. It's a plug connector. Okay, and this connector connects to our back head unit. This compass box. Okay. This K1 and K2 for steering wheel. This is anti-wire 12 voltage. Okay, this harness. It comes with GPS antenna. This is a small speaker. Connect this wire. Connect. Okay. And this original USB. This camera input. This camera adapter. Okay. This camera input. This radio antenna. And this remote controller. This AUX input left and right, and video input. This audio cable, a subwoofer, video out 1 and video out 2. This video out front and rear, front and rear, left and right, with audio out. Okay. This is a drum agent, and you can check. This front. You can check this microphone. This home button, this back button, this power and volume, and the name button with GPS and SD card slot IST. Okay, you can check the side. And the back you can check this USB, two USB cable, long cable, and this audio cable and antenna, DSP antenna, this Wi-Fi, this power, this fuse, this GPS, this Wi-Fi antenna. Okay. Okay, let me power tune voltage. Okay, you can check system start. Okay. Okay. Please take out this screw protector before using. You can adjust the brightness, this data and time update by GPS and Wi-Fi. The radio. DSP amplifier. Very fast response. Okay, we check the setting. It's built-in Wi-Fi. This back button. And about motion, you can check the MCU volume, CPU octa-core, RAM 4GB, PX5 Android 9 Pie system. Okay, let me check the storage. You can check total 64 GB. Okay. This car setting, personal setting, autoplay music, SC standby time, auto illumination, drum settings. It's built in Google Maps. Reserving volume, watch video, rear ruler tracking display, experience, and steering wheel control settings. Okay. You can check it built in Play Store. You can download the application from Play Store. This vehicle information. Google Maps. This mirroring mirror for Android USB, Android Wi-Fi, iPhone Wi-Fi. DSP amplifier. Sub control. Okay, this DSP amplifier and built-in Bluetooth. Okay, that's all. If you have any more questions, please contact to us. Visit our website belsee.com, belse.com. Okay, thank you.